Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I just want to touch on Bitcoin and the crypto index, also Cardano, that have found substantial support here. So the question is a low in place? If we look at the daily Bitcoin graph, we had a false break of the low in May and then a touching the low going back in January. If we go into the 1 hour graph, you can see this beautiful head and shoulders low here, and at such a critical level, it's putting doubt whether this bear market will continue. Before, we were looking at a sideways consolidation, a pattern like this with a possible break to the downside. We had a break to the downside. It happened on Tuesday. We're now looking at a low formation, head and shoulders low formation that will probably turn bullish. If this is the case, then we've got plenty of time to get onto this trade because the moving averages are well above the market. They've all got to come together. We've got to go through the moving averages, all of them, bounce off them, and then we'll have our strong buy for a good bull rally. If we go back in history, that's what the market has done every time. Doesn't matter how bearish the market gets. There's always plenty of time just to wait and get onto a good trade. Going back 2015-16, when you'd be wondering, is this market going to move higher or lower? There's plenty of time. We get on top of the moving averages on the daily graph, bounce off it, buy. And that's the first great trade. Here we are, maybe again wondering if the market's going to go lower or higher. Bouncing off the moving averages, moving higher. We've got our buy signal. This is a CME graph, so it doesn't show Saturday, Sunday trading. I find it quite good for determining which way the market's going to go. Moving along, the market has done the same here. Sideways consolidation. You might be thinking this market's going to drop lower. It bounces on the moving averages, goes high. That's the first real buy trade. The strongest buy trade, you might have a buy trade lower than that. Once again here, the market has moved, bounce on top of the moving averages and moving higher. So we've got plenty of time. The market just does it time and time again, and that's where the real strong move comes. We don't really get a strong bullish move until that happens. As you can see, we've got a break in the market here. It just repeats all the time. So I won't go through all the other situations. This year, earlier this year, late last year, perfect. The market took off once it did it. And going up through 20,000. So here we are again. It looks like it's well supported. I don't think there's too much of a rush. I was extremely negative on the market and bearish, and I'm changing my tune now. So I'll be patiently waiting for the right time to enter the market with a bullish bias. If we look at Cardano, ADA, it's got me really bullish on the market. It's found support here at the $1 mark, as it's always done since moving above it. So it looks like it can really continue to find some support to consolidate here and to move higher. Looking at the All Crypto Index and the major crypto index, this is the All Crypto Index daily graph. It found support here with the February low, and the major crypto index also did the same. Overall, there is a massive spike there, but I'm wondering the probability now of finding some support. One interesting point is that Ethereum seems to be lagging Cardano. Here, Ethereum, the daily graph here, looks like it could go down quite easily very soon. Here, Cardano looks very well supported at the $1 mark. It's had a 2-day rally, so obviously this isn't going to go make a new low anytime in the next few days. Both markets are going to follow each other. They're not going to go in different directions. Therefore, I would say Ethereum, should rally here, but it does look quite weak. So what's your opinion on that? Both coins are excellent, got so much happening, so many projects going on. I was a bit surprised that Ethereum is lagging Cardano. Give us your thoughts. Okay, well, that's about it, guys. I look forward to doing an update on all this after the weekend in a few days' time, and it'll be great to see how all this plays out. Okay, well, you have a great weekend, and until next time, bye for now.